Tired of getting denied credit? Feel like the system is rigged against you? You're not alone. In this video, we're diving deep into how Beforepay decides if you're a good candidate for their early paycheck service. We'll break down the factors they consider so you can understand your chances and increase your approval odds. Beforepay is a popular service that lets you access your earned wages early. It's a lifesaver for many who face unexpected expenses or simply need a little extra cash before payday. But how does Beforepay decide who gets approved and who doesn't? Let's be honest, getting denied for credit can feel frustrating and even unfair. You might wonder, what gives them the right to say no? Understanding the approval process can help you navigate the system and potentially increase your chances of getting approved. So, what are the key factors that Beforepay considers? Here's the lowdown. Employment history, this is a big one. Beforepay typically requires you to have been employed with your current employer for a certain period. This could be a few months or even a year, depending on their specific criteria. They also look for consistent employment history, meaning you haven't been jumping from job to job. Income stability, Beforepay wants to ensure you have a reliable income stream. They'll analyze your pay stubs to assess your income level and how consistent your paychecks are. Bank account activity, your banking history plays a crucial role. Beforepay will review your bank account transactions to understand your spending habits, debt levels, and overall financial behavior. Credit score, while not always the primary factor, your credit score can still influence your approval odds. A good credit score demonstrates responsible financial behavior and can increase your chances of getting approved for higher advance amounts. Debt-to-income ratio, this ratio compares your monthly debt payments to your monthly income. A high debt-to-income ratio can be a red flag for lenders like Beforepay, as it suggests you may already be struggling financially. Employment type, Beforepay may have different criteria for different types of employment. For example, they might have stricter requirements for contract workers or gig economy workers compared to full-time employees. Tips to increase your approval odds. Now that you know the key factors, here are some tips to improve your chances of getting approved by Beforepay. Improve your credit score, dispute any errors on your credit report and pay your bills on time. Reduce your debt, make consistent efforts to pay down any existing debts. Increase your income, if possible, explore ways to increase your income, such as asking for a raise or taking on a side hustle. Maintain consistent employment, avoid job hopping and strive for long-term employment with a stable income. Review your bank account activity, make sure your bank account activity reflects responsible financial behavior. Important considerations. Beforepay is not alone. It's important to understand that Beforepay is not alone. You're essentially accessing your already earned wages early. Fees and costs. Be aware of any fees associated with using Beforepay. This could include early access fees or other charges. Alternatives. Explore alternative options for accessing emergency funds, such as personal loans, credit cards, or borrowing from friends or family. Getting approved for Beforepay depends on several factors, including your employment history, income stability, bank account activity, and credit score. By understanding these factors and taking steps to improve your financial health, you can increase your chances of getting approved and accessing your earned wages when you need them most. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.